Hello students, now in this session I will explain question number 3 and 4 of exercise 2.2. In question number 3 we have to find the values. There are 4 sums. I will explain only 3 and 1 will be your homework. Okay, so how to find the values? For this we have to obey some specific rules. It is not that simply we'll multiply and we'll add. Okay, so we have to follow some specific method. Now what is A? So in sum number A we have 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. So we'll consider this as one set of number and this as the second set of number. Okay, now in first set and the second set we'll see, if you carefully observe, then we can find that there is one particular number which is common. So which number is common? That is this one, isn't it? 297. So the numbers which is common, will take 297 as common, we'll put into sign and then we'll put bracket. Okay, so common means we have removed this 297 from both the terms. So once we have removed this 297 from the first term, what will remain? Only 17. We'll put this plus sign, and the same 297 we have also removed from the second one. So what will remain then? Only 3, isn't it? So now finally what we'll do, we'll solve the bracket first, because according to the BODMAS we always have to solve the bracket first. 17 plus 3 is what? 20. Now finally we have to multiply 297 into 20 and we'll get the answer as 5940. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number A. Okay, now let's move on to sum number C. Now as I'm not doing sum number B, that means sum number B would be your homework. Okay, now sum number C is 81265 into 169 minus 81265 into 69. Okay, now again we'll consider this as first set of number and this is second set of number. Fine. So which number is common? Yes, I'm quite sure that most of you have understood. 81265 is a common number to both the terms, isn't it? So we'll take 81265 as common, we'll put into sign and we'll again put the bracket. Yes, that means from the first time we have removed this 81265, so what will remain? Only 169. This time we have minus sign here, so we'll put minus sign. Again from the second term also we have removed 81265, so what will remain? 69. So we'll first solve the bracket. So if we minus 69 from 169, we'll get 100, isn't it? So just multiplying this with 100 is very easy. So 81265, and how many zeros are there? 2. Just put these 2 zeros. That's it. So this is a solution of sum number C. Okay, so now let's do sum number D. So sum number D we have 3845 into 5 into 782. Okay, so in the first term we have 3 numbers, then we have plus. In second set of number we have, in second term we have 769 into 25 into 218. So first term we have 3 numbers, in second term we have also 3 numbers. Now we have to carefully observe, is there any number which is common to both the terms? We see no, we don't have any common terms, but we can make a common number. What? See, so here we have to apply some brain. Okay, so what we can do with this 25? So we can write 25 as 5 into 5, isn't it? Can we write this 25 as 5 into 5? Because 5 was a 25. We have just expanded this 25 in the form of the product of 2 5s, isn't it? 5 into 5 into 218. Now what is the next thing that we'll do is, if you multiply this 769 into 5, you know what will happen? If you multiply 769 into 5, what we'll get? See, we'll write the first term like this. Now if you multiply this 2, we'll get 3845. Okay, Then we'll write this 5 into 218. Now if you carefully observe that this number is also common, this number is also common. Fine, so we'll take this two number as common. So 3845 into 5, and then we'll give the bracket. So if we remove these two numbers from the first term, what will remain inside? That is 782. 782, we'll put the plus sign. If you also remove these two numbers from the second term, then what will remain inside? 218, isn't it? Now 3845 into 5 will give you 19225. Okay, so product of 3845 into 5 is 19225, and the sum of 782 plus 218 is 1000. So now I hope it becomes very easy. If you multiply these two numbers, what you will get the answer as? 19225. How many zeros are there? 3. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the final value of sum number D. Okay, and this is very, very important. Mark it in the book. Okay, so now let's move on to sum number 4. Question number 4, sorry, I have written 3. So in question number 4, we have to find the product using suitable properties. Now this time we have to use suitable properties, and only one property that we'll be using is a distributive property. So distributive property are of two types, that is distributive property over addition and distributive property over subtraction. Okay, so what we'll use here is distributive property over addition. This is like this, that is A into C plus D. So this is a property that we'll use. So if the number is arranged in this manner, so what exactly we have to do is we have to multiply this A into C, then we'll put plus sign. Again we have to multiply this A into D. So this is called distributive property over addition. So this is the property that we'll use it here in each sum. Okay, so now how exactly, the next question is how exactly we'll use this. Now suppose this number is 738 and 103, so it is not written in the form of this. Fine, so how we'll use this? So we have to make these two numbers in the form of this. Okay, so how to make this? That is, we'll keep this 738 as intact, and we'll expand this 103 in the form of 100 plus 3. You see, now it is looking like this, isn't it? A into C plus D. So in place of A we have 738, in place of C we have 100, in place of D we have 3. Now what is the next step that we have to do? We have to multiply 738 into 100, isn't it? A into C. So 738 into 100, we'll put this plus sign. Again we have to multiply 738 with this 3. 738 into 3. So if you multiply these two numbers, we'll get as 738. How many zeros are there? 2. And if you multiply 738 into 3, we'll get as 2214. Now just add this two number. So we'll get 76014. Okay, this is how exactly you will do all the sums of question number 4. So I'm just leaving question number B. So that would be your homework. Let's do sum number C. So what is sum number C? 258 into 1008. So we'll break this 1008. So how to break this 1008? That is 1000 plus 8. As easy as this. Okay, but here also you have to write which property you are using. So you will write using distributive property. That's the only thing that you have to write, distributive property, because as it is mentioned in the question that using suitable property, so you have to also name which property you are using. The same thing you have to write it here also, that is using suitable property. Using distributive property. Distributive property. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to multiply 258 into 1000 plus 258 into 8. Okay, so we'll get the first answer as 258. How many zeros? 3. 1, 2, 3. And if you multiply 258 into 8, so what will be the answer? It will be 2064. And finally, if we add, we'll get the sum as 260064. Okay, I hope you're finding this very, very easy. Now what you have to do with sum number D? Sum number D is also very easy. That is 1005 into 168. So which one you will break? Obviously this one. That is 100, that is 1000 plus 5 into 168. Okay, again you will write using distributive property. Okay, now multiply 1000 with this 168. 1000 into 168 plus, as plus sign is here, 5 into 168. So the product would be 168. How many zeros? 3. 1, 2, 3. And if I multiply 168 with 3, with 5, I will get the answer as 840. What will be the final answer then? 168840. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 4. So that's it for today. God bless you all. Take care and stay blessed.